Hey family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Miriam from Miriam's Fussy Hair Care, and I welcome you back to my channel for my returning subscribers, and welcome to those that are new here. Click that subscription button to become part of our family, because on this channel we do nice things like this. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this bun. I am in love with this bun. So, those that are interested in seeing how I achieved this bun, please do keep watching. So I started off with stretched hair. It is easy to do this hairstyle when your hair is stretched. I used the African threading method to stretch my hair, but if you do use a blow dryer, you can go ahead and stretch your hair before putting it in a bun. So I was just trying to make it as straight as I could, and as I was doing that, I was giving myself a little bit of a massage. Once that is done, just make sure that you brush everything in place. So I was just doing a frame to see where my bun would be, and then I got some gel. Before that, I actually brushed everything in place. I had put my hair in a loose bun and then brushed everything in place, and then mapped, more like I mapped my bun position. After that, I got my mold. I don't know the name of that, but like for every product I use and choose, check the description box. I will make sure that I leave everything there. So that's the gel that I use. That gel gives me extra hold. It was actually formulated for dreads, but I don't mind using it on my afro hair when I'm doing sleek hairstyles, because it lays everything in place. I'm going in with a softer brush than the first one to brush everything in place before I tie everything in a tight, but not very tight bun. But I'm just going to tie everything in place. Make sure that you are careful not to snag your edges, because it might cause breakage. Make sure also that the ponytail holder you are using, or the ribbon, does not have that metallic thing. So you can tell from my ponytail holders, actually all the ponytail holders I use don't have that metallic thing, because it causes breakage. I was extremely tired. My hair is thick, so I struggle a lot to put it in a bun like that. So once that was done, I just made a braid to just secure the whole thing. So this was a real good exercise for my hands, because at the end of this my hands were toned. I was extremely exhausted. So we all want thick hair until we have such issues, and I want my hair thicker than this. So anyway, I guess I should learn to work with it like that. So once that is done, I just used 3 rubber bands to make sure that that braid was secure. Next, we go in with the edge control. I did not show that because I do it often in my videos. I laid down my edges using the CANTU edge gel, and then slicked everything down with my satin scarf. I made that padding. If you want a tutorial on how to make your padding, you let me know in the comment section. And after making that padding, I got this braiding hair. It is called ABUJA Plus. So this is ABUJA Plus. I don't know what, it's black, but I don't know exactly the number of the color. Check the description box for that. So I got half of the pack. That's what I used for my bun. So I'm just going to brush everything down. After that is done, I got a rubber band and made a donut bun. So So those that know how to make a donut bun, that's what I made. And then I left out those other hairs. Then after that, you can see I grabbed everything, brushed it in place, and then secured it with a rubber band. So once that is done, my hands were even hurting because they've been up in the air for some time. So you can see that there's some hairs remaining at the tip of that rubber or the ponytail I made with the rubber band. So I'm just going to hide that with a bobby pin, not really a bobby pin, a styling pin. So I'll be using styling pins to hide the residue of the hair into place. Like you can see now, everything looks nice. So you can just work with your hair, mold your bun into the shape that you want it in. Continue doing that until you have the desired look that you are going for. I just added some accessory to the bun to make it look more classy and elegant. So I used a chain. It's supposed to be a necklace, guys. It's supposed to be a necklace. That's what I used. I don't wear necklaces, but I stole someone's necklace, and this is what I used for my hair as my hair accessory, and I really loved how it looked. I got in trouble later for stealing that accessory, but it worked out well. So like you can see, I am just pinning it down with my styling pin and making sure that I don't snag my hair. I was very careful to make sure that I did not cause breakage. So I think that was all for this video. It was actually simple and easy to do. I got a lot of compliments on this hairstyle and I loved it. I would actually give it a try, and I think I'll be wearing my bun like this. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.